Hi, I'm Jody Costello, founder of ContractorsFromHell.com, and today I'm going to talk about how to choose the best painter and decorator. Starting with your first meeting, you want to ask lots of questions about his experience, and you also want to look at his portfolio of work and ask for references. When talking with a painter, you want to take note of his responses. Is he knowledgeable, professional, and offers ideas and suggestions for your project? Ask about his schedule. A good painter is busy with lots of projects. Did he return your call in a timely manner? And did he arrive at the interview on time? These are signs that he or she is serious about providing excellent service. A painter's and decorator's bid should break down a large job so you can see exactly where your money is going. You want to hire someone who is licensed, if your state requires it, is bonded, and carries insurance, including workman's comp, if he has employees. Be sure to check that his license is in good standing by checking with your state's contractor license board or regulatory agency. You'll want to do a check for any online reviews or complaints. Do your research and a thorough background check on the candidate you choose. Finally, a good contractor will not ask for a large deposit up front to begin your project. Every state is different with respect to down payments, so check with your state or city as to what the law dictates.